Hi, I'm Tim, and I'm going to tell you about opioids and your options with pain management. So in America, we have an opioid epidemic. The truth about opioid pain management is that opioid overdoses increased 30% from July 2016 through September 2017. Every day, more than 115 people in the United States die after overdosing on opioids. In our homes, at our jobs, in our cities. Everyone can be affected by opioid pain management. People with medical pain, which is after more than 3 months, back pain, and of any race, class, and gender. National overdose deaths are at above 49,000 in 2017, and national overdose deaths from synthetic opioids are over 29,000 in 2017. National overdose deaths involving pain relievers, excluding non-methadone, is over 19,000 in 2016, according to the NIH. So we know that often overdose deaths result in the end of life. So there are alternatives to opioid pain. Some of them are mindful meditation, multi-targeted neurostimulation, radiofrequency ablation, and neural block. When it comes down to it, we have a choice in pain management. Be proactive in your own healthcare. Ask questions about your choices.